In the last video, we were working with what's called written algorithms. And in this video, we're going to be taking that to the next step. This is going to require the skill called renaming. If you're not sure how to do that, go back to the first place value module and you're going to find that information there. For this lesson, we're going to assume that you already know how to do that. Let's get into it. Our first example, you have $60 for lunch and you want to share it between yourself and 4 friends evenly. How much do you get each? You have $60 for lunch and you want to share it between yourself and 4 friends evenly. How much do you get? I'm going to highlight evenly as well because that suggests we are looking at a division question here. There is a little bit of a trick in this question. It asks for yourself and 4 friends. Meaning that we're actually going to have to share between 5 people, your 4 friends plus yourself. We could write it as a number sentence like this, 60 shared between 5 equals. All right, so let's make it. 60 has 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and no ones. Let's write it now as a written algorithm. 60 that we're sharing gets written underneath, and the number 5 that we're sharing between gets written over there to the left. As before, we're going to start with our highest value place, which is the tens. We have 6 tens shared between 5. All right, I've got 6 tens here. Let's share them between 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6, but if I put this into any of the groups, they're not going to be even anymore. So I'm just going to leave that one for now. Each of them got 1 10. I record that in the tens as 1 10. I have this 1 left over 10. What am I going to do with that? Since I haven't shared it, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to record it in the ones column. Now in the ones column, I've got 10. Because I've renamed one of the 10s into 10 ones, I'm going to do the same thing with my materials. 1 10 becomes 10 ones. When I did that, I didn't add or take any away. I just renamed 1 10 as 10 ones. And these are ones, look, see they're all broken apart. Which means we can now share them. 10 ones shared between 5. 1 each. They got 2 each. 1 2, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2. Coming back to our algorithm, we can record that like this. 10 shared between 5 is 2. What our algorithm is telling us now is 60 shared between 5 is 12, which matches what we have here. So 60 shared between 5 is 12. Now we're ready to answer the question. You have $60 for lunch and you want to share it between yourself and 4 friends evenly. How much do you get each? Answer, you will get $12 each for lunch. You should be able to buy yourself something pretty tasty for that. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like more help with this or any other maths concepts, you can head over to my website, links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.